Hey, I just wanted to do a quick little demo of a product that I tried out a couple days ago and really liked, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's from Kerastase, and it's their new couture collection, which is supposed to be really light on the hair and really versatile to use. So they have a whole line of products, and today I'm going to use the spray à poiter, which is like a salt spray basically. Like, it's supposed to give you beach waves, kind of like tousled hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the results, or actually partial results, because I sprayed it in my hair and like ran out of the house and took that photo and posted it up, so it was like midway. By the end of the day, my hair looked really cool, so I'm going to try to show you how I use it, and then also at the end come back and show you like what it looks like at the very end of the day. So I just washed my hair, so it's a little damp, and you can use this on dry hair, but I think that it might work best if your hair is wet. And I let it air dry a little bit, and I added in, or I will add, some leave-in conditioner just because I don't want my hair to get too dry. Ugh, I think I just got some of this in my mouth. So, now I feel like my hair won't get too dried out. And because when I used it the other day, I felt like my hair was a little dry. So you're supposed to kind of do this in sections. I am kind of pressed for time, so I'm going to do large sections. So I've used a couple other beach sprays before, and some have been great and some have been not so great, and I think I like this one the best out of all that I've tried. So I'm just going to scrunch the hair a bit to provide some waves, because these extensions are straight, they're not wavy like I usually get on my hair. I wanted to try this style because it's really it's casual, and it looks like very minimal effort went into it, even though, I mean, I have to wash my hair and then I have to sit here and do this, so I mean, there is kind of an effort, but somehow it's still easier than, you know, washing my hair, blow drying it all out, and then flat ironing it straight. I just feel like this is a little less maintenance. And you know, you're going for a messy look, so your hair doesn't have to be perfect, like how, you know, you have to make sure that you get every strand flat when you're flat ironing it, because it's supposed to all look smooth. Sorry if the lighting is off. I have like really yellow light in my house, and my light kit did not want to cooperate with me on setting up in this room another time. So with this style, you can either let it air dry, or you can use a blow dryer with a diffuser. Since I am pressed for time, I will use a diffuser. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Oh, and I don't want to forget my things, just so they end up a little messy. I also have to dry my hair a bit because I am wearing extensions, so it really helps if the foundation of my hair is dry, because I have a sew-in. used my my GHD on medium heat because I am trying to dry the foundation of my extensions. If you don't wear extensions, you might just want to use a low heat on this style. So I continue to scrunch just because I really want my hair to look like messy, like I just, I don't know, came out of the ocean. So it's gonna dry really freaking cool. I love messy styles just because I can be a little careless with the way that I'm doing my hair. They said in the little pamphlet that they provided to me that you can use the product just a little once over on your dry hair, or partially dry hair, just for a little added effect. So there is my look, and I hope that this helped, you know. I'll show you guys the after later on tonight. Bye. So this is the final look, and my hair just gets really full, very messy, which is the look that I'm going for. I like to pair this with like edgier ensembles. So, hope you liked it.